In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized AI assistants with Gemini. By the end, you'll have your own custom Gemini assistant up and running, and you'll know how to test it with real prompts. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the results, click the official Gemini site from Google. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access all the tools. Once you're in Gemini, look for the section called Gems. Gems are Gemini's personalized assistants that you can design for specific tasks and tones. Click Gems to open the dashboard, then choose New Gem to create a fresh one. Give your assistant a clear, memorable name. I'll call this one Mood to Meal. Short, descriptive names make it easier to find and reuse your assistants later. Next, add a description so Gemini understands the purpose. For this one, describe it as a thoughtful kitchen companion that turns emotions, situations, or challenges into comforting, appropriate dishes. This tells Gemini the role and the outcome you expect. Now add the core instructions. These guide the assistant's behavior and style. You can write, "You are Mood to Meal, a caring and emotionally intelligent cooking assistant. Your job is to recommend a dish for the user's partner based on the emotions, problems, or situations the user describes. Keep the instructions warm but specific, and focus on what the assistant should do with the information it's given." When you're happy with the name, description, and instructions, click Save. Gemini will create the gem and show you the option to start chat. Click Start Chat to open a conversation with your new assistant. Let's test it. In the chat box, type a prompt that matches the assistant's purpose. For example, "My partner had a stressful day at work and feels mentally exhausted. They don't want anything heavy." Then click Submit. Wait a moment for the results to load. Gemini will propose a dish, and often include why it fits the mood and how to prepare it. If the first result isn't quite what you wanted, refine your prompt with more detail, dietary preferences, time available, or ingredients on hand. Try another prompt to see how the assistant adapts. For instance, change the mood or constraints, then click Submit again. This iteration helps you confirm the instructions are clear and the assistant behaves as intended. That's it. You searched for Gemini, opened Gems, created a new gem, named it, wrote a description and instructions, saved it, and tested it with prompts. Customize as you go, and your personalized AI assistant will keep getting better.